Hello carpet cleaners, how are you doing? So it's been brought to my attention that somebody posted in Truck Mount forums a photograph of my profile asking if I am legit and if my company is legit or not, which has resulted in, I believe, a fair few comments, some positive, some negative. And so I just wanted to answer that right now. I want to answer that question directly with this video. Am I legit and is my company legit? Let's work through this. So first of all, absolutely 1,000,000% I am legit, and so is my company. I am the owner of a company called AGB, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry. That's the only industry we work with, and we specialize through our digital marketing program in one thing only: generating jobs for carpet cleaners. In fact, we've worked with hundreds of carpet cleaners worldwide, most of which are in America, but further afield than that as well. And we continue to do so to this day. And if you want me to prove it to you, let's pop the hood on that right now. Here we go. Let me just run you through. This is our client list, right? I'm going to whiz through here pretty quick, but because I don't want to be giving away private names and stuff like that. But here you go. I mean, there's hundreds of people on here. So we are 100% legitimate. Here's some results. Let's have a look at that. Here are all the inquiries we've generated for one of our hundreds of clients. Here's some results. There's over 80 inquiries on this one. There's another 37 on this one, right? Like where people have actually scheduled as well. So we're looking at over 100 plus inquiries during a 30-day period. And that, like I say, is just one of our clients. So look, to answer your question, we're 100% legitimate. I do own a company that generates inquiries and jobs for carpet cleaners. If you're still on the fence or you still don't believe me, then feel free to reach out and I will connect you in a group chat with any number of our clients who you can speak to on the phone, who you could message, who will tell you the same thing. This guy genuinely owns a digital marketing company that specializes in the carpet cleaning industry and he's bringing me great results. I've got nothing to hide. I've got no problem doing that. If you work with us, we're not going to run away with your money or disappear into thin air. We are legit and happy to prove it. So I really hope that answers your questions. And if you scroll through my testimony, through my news feed here and stuff, this guy, I've been with AGB for over 1 year, been very happy with John, Hank, Lauren, blah, blah, blah. Here's another one, been with AGB. This is my company for 18 months with great success. We've had a range of 8 to 10 ROI consistently with them. They communicate well and have always taken care of me if any issues arise. Great team of people. And I've got tons and tons of these messages from our happy clients. John has changed our business for the better. We used to use home advisors and we're paying so much for crap leads. Found out about John in the cleaners forum and now we use him for Facebook ads where we were able to not just fill one van but two now. We're a small family business like you and I have not been paid to say this stuff. I can connect you personally in a group chat in Messenger with all of these people so you can talk to them. We're not making this stuff up. It's all 100% real. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video just to clarify that 100% we're a legitimate company. And I also want to point out, and I really want you guys to know, that I absolutely love what my company does with a passion and what I do with a passion. This is what gets me out of bed every morning. Nothing fills me with a greater sense of achievement to know that our program and our systems have made a positive impact in someone's life and in someone's carpet cleaning business. And the more people that we can impact positively with what we're doing here, the more carpet cleaning businesses that we can help, the better. And I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaning businesses as possible. And to that end, we've tried to make working with us as risk-free as humanly possible as well. And what I mean by that is that this is a guaranteed service. We're going to guarantee you a minimum of 40 inquiries in a 30-day period. And if we don't hit that minimum, then we're either going to work for free at no cost to you until we hit that minimum, or I'm going to refund you the difference. So if I don't get you a single inquiry, I'm going to give you all the money back. If I get you 4 inquiries, that means I've hit 10% of the guarantee. So I'm going to give you 90% of the money back. If I get 20 inquiries, that means I've hit 50%. So I'm going to give you 50% of the money back, right? There's no long-term contracts when you work with us either. You can give this a shot for 30 days, see how you get on. And if you're not feeling it, you can walk away. You're not tied into into anything. I'm not going to get you to sign a 12-month contract or a 3-month contract or anything like that. And for the record, let's just go back. Typically, we generate way more than 40 inquiries. There's 83 on this one alone. There's another on this tab. There's another 37 on that tab. There's over 100 on here. And that's just one of our clients, So if you've been on the fence, if you've been following my posts, you've been thinking about reaching out, reach out to me. Let's have a conversation. And really, just so that you guys know, like, the next step to all of this is going to be simply getting on a Zoom call with one of my team. And even at this stage, there's absolutely zero obligation to sign up. We're literally going to get on a super friendly Zoom call. We're going to pop the hood on this thing. We're going to show you exactly how it all works. And if at the end of it, you decide you want to move forward, awesome. If not, then that's fine. There's no pressure. You're not committed to anything by signing up to a Zoom call with us. And I just want to finish as well, like any business, we're always evolving, and I'm always trying to move the bar, raise the bar across the board in our company, and continually try to provide better results, better customer service, better customer experience. And we're constantly working to improve our systems. That's the end of this video. It's gone on a little long, but just wanted to say, yes, if you're concerned, we are legit. And if you want, I'd be more than happy to connect you with any number of our clients who will confirm the same as well. Speak to you soon, guys. Cheers.